So let's dive into the UAE Golden Visa. It's like, a game changer for long-term residency in the Emirates.
Yep. Right, it's really interesting, especially because it offers up to 10 years of residency, no local sponsor needed, right?
Exactly. It's like the visa gives flexibility by letting investors, entrepreneurs, professionals, and even outstanding students live, work, or study in the UAE with a focus on fostering innovation.
Mm-hmm. And what's intriguing is how tailored the categories are. From investors needing a solid 2 million AED investment to creatives who can showcase their portfolios and awards.
Absolutely. It's very structured. Think about the investors, they're looking for commitments in the millions, either via real estate or business investments.
Yeah, that's a big commitment. True, although I sometimes wonder, isn't that threshold a bit steep for many potential applicants?
Well, it is high, but it definitely ensures that only those who bring substantial value come on board. It's like raising the bar for excellence, ensuring economic
Yeah,
impact.
that makes sense. And there's a clear outline of eligibility. You need proof of your achievements, investments, good health insurance, and a clean security record, right?
Yep, it's quite detailed. It involves gathering all your documents, attesting them, and being super precise. One wrong document, and man, it could delay the whole process.
Mm-hmm. And the submission is fully digital now, isn't it? Through the ICP or GDRFA platforms?
Exactly. You upload everything online, documents, passport copies, photos, and even pay the fees digitally.
Right. Speaking of fees, did you catch the government fee range? It's between 2,800 AED and 4,800 AED, if I remember correctly.
Yes, and that's for applicants within the UAE. External applicants might face a bit more, which is interesting because it shows how they are managing different cases practically.
Mm-hmm. And what about the processing time? I think it mentioned between 2 to 6 weeks sometimes, depending on the category and document completeness.
Right on. If all your attested documents and proofs are on point, it's relatively smooth. But if you slip up, like incomplete documents or mismatched job titles, then yeah, you could get a rejection.
Yeah, that's a risk. That point is essential. Preparation is key. I mean, missing out on something as basic as attested degrees could derail your application.
Absolutely. And it's not just about the forms. They even require a medical fitness certificate, a police clearance, and biometric sessions after the submission.
Right. And I found it quite forward thinking that, unlike normal visas tied to sponsors, the Golden Visa provides complete independence. You can change jobs, start your own business, or even be away from the UAE for extended periods without jeopardizing your residency.
Exactly. It's like having the freedom to navigate life without that constant worry about losing your visa after 6 months abroad or something.
Yeah. But hey, isn't it also interesting how they sponsor family members? So, besides the primary applicant, spouses, children, even domestic helpers can be covered.
Totally. That's a major strength. It really supports family unification and ensures that the benefits extend to the entire household.
Totally. And the benefits, aside from the residency itself, include access to world-class healthcare, banking, and even the ability to own property, right?
Yes, not to forget that favorable tax environment is a huge perk. The UAE doesn't impose personal income tax, which is a big draw for high net worth individuals.
Right, that's a major incentive. Now, about the different categories: investors, entrepreneurs, professionals, creatives, and even humanitarian pioneers, it seems they really are targeting all corners of talent and expertise.
Yes, it's almost like they're casting a wide net, but still maintaining very high standards. For example, entrepreneurs need to prove the viability of their projects, sometimes showing a revenue benchmark or getting ministry approval.
And professionals, such as doctors and engineers, need to meet a salary threshold and often require recommendations from authorities, right?
Precisely, which ensures that only top-tier experts contribute to the country's development. It's a clever way of boosting the economy with highly credible talent.
Right. I've also noticed that there are specific costs for renewals and even for adding dependents, which adds a layer of transparency about the real investment over time.
Absolutely, renewals are managed digitally too, and they're relatively streamlined, typically processed fairly quickly. Fees for dependents are quite reasonable compared to the overall long-term benefit.
I see. But I sometimes wonder, isn't the reliance on digital platforms, while efficient, a bit risky if there are any system glitches or security issues?
That's a valid point. While the digital process undoubtedly speeds things up, it also means you need to be extra vigilant with data security. However, given the UAE's robust infrastructure, I believe they've taken precautions.
Fair enough. It's almost like they're balancing innovation with risk management, ensuring efficiency without compromising security.
Exactly, and that's why there's a lot of emphasis on following federal guidelines meticulously. It minimizes the chances of any mishaps.
Right. And for anyone interested in applying, expert guidance is available, like through BizInvestFirm. Their tailored services help navigate the complexities, from categorizing your expertise to preparing the paperwork.
Yep, getting professional help can be a lifesaver, especially when one small error can lead to delays or even rejection. It's like having an expert co-pilot during the application journey.
Indeed. What a robust system they've got in place. It really underscores the UAE's ambition to be the hub for global talent, investing in both innovation and stability.
Absolutely. Combining long-term residency with such comprehensive benefits shows how seriously the UAE takes its role as an international magnet for talent and investment.
Right. And this all adds up to an attractive proposition for anyone looking to secure a stable, dynamic, and globally connected future.
Exactly. It's like securing not just a visa, but a gateway to a thriving ecosystem of opportunities.
Couldn't agree more. Well, if you're seriously thinking about it, the detailed guidelines on eligibility, investment thresholds, and the whole process really make you appreciate the value of this program.
No doubt about it. It's a holistic, well thought out program designed to match high caliber talent and provide an even playing field.
Absolutely. Thanks for walking me through all those details. Such an enlightening conversation on how to successfully apply for the UAE Golden Visa.
My pleasure. It really is an amazing opportunity for those ready to embark on a new chapter in a dynamic nation.
Right.